You got pecan, sprinkles, white chocolate and dark chocolate.
If last names are any predictor of what you'll do later in life, Allie Baker is the perfect example.
Oh, I love it here.
She began working at White's Food Liner in Osage City as a teenager, gradually moving from cashier to her dream job of baking and decorating sweets.
I love being up and moving around. It's honestly my favorite thing to do. I can't sit still. I never can.
Active and very social with an amazing giggle. When she's here, Allie's in her happy place.
We decorate cakes and stuff. I do cupcakes.
And yes, she also has a sweet tooth.
I love eating them. They're like my favorite thing to eat. We got a lot. I also love frosting in general.
Her love of this environment is something she picked up from her grandma.
I loved going around with my grandma to churches and being in the food pantry, learning how to cook with her.
But there are some things Allie always knew she couldn't do.
I loved to play soccer, but I couldn't do all the running.
Born premature with a congenital heart defect, Allie ultimately needed open heart surgery when she turned 21.
Part of my aorta and my valve was replaced 2 years ago in Children's Mercy.
About a year after that, Allie faced another big event. She was aging out of pediatric care. It was time to transfer to the Adult Congenital Heart Disease Clinic at the University of Kansas Health System. A change that could have been very stressful, Allie says, were it not for the clinic director, Dr. J.D. Surface.
His positivity, his knowing how to talk to people when they're nervous, which is me all the time.
Also a huge help in the transition, doctors and nurses at Children's Mercy, who also make sure everything goes smoothly and that the care is seamless.
I love the team. I love how they helped me get to other doctors.
And Allie has this advice to anyone preparing to make that same transition.
Don't be nervous. You got a great team behind you. They're willing to help you no matter what. No stupid question. Ask them no matter what. I do it all the time.